Good Thursday morning, everyone. A quick recap on the month of December for you. 2.8 degrees warmer than normal in Flint, 1.6 degrees warmer than normal in Saginaw. Also, the precipitation that was measured, 2.68 in Flint, which is nearly 0.8 of an inch more than normal. And in Saginaw, 2.2 inches was measured. That's about 0.35 of an inch higher than normal. What about snow? 12.1 inches in Flint. That's 0.7 inches more than normal. And in Saginaw, 6.2 inches, which is 5.6 inches below normal there. As we move forward, no major snow systems here. It's just going to be a little bit of some lake effect for us. Talk more about that in just a minute. In the meantime, though, as we make our way through tonight into tomorrow morning, this Clipper system will move through Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, staying to our south, and then a larger storm system develops as we make our way through the weekend, Sunday into Monday especially. This is a snapshot of what the radar could look like on Sunday evening. Heavy snow across Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. Some icing, freezing rain, perhaps an ice storm right along the Ohio River. And then south of that, severe thunderstorms will be possible. So a very large, strong storm system completely misses the state of Michigan. But if you do have travel plans to the south, you will run into this on Sunday, especially and even into parts of Monday. There will likely be lingering impacts as well. Even though we do miss this storm system behind it, some colder air will be funneling in. So that's going to keep our temperatures below freezing day and night for at least the next week, but likely longer than that as well. This is the positioning of the winter storm. That's Sunday and Monday, January 5th and 6th. So again, it does stay to our south. The northern side of this is likely going to see heavy snow. The southern side of this likely sees that wintry mix and perhaps an ice storm. Watch what happens here on our temperature pattern. The blues are the cold air and then warmer air in these yellows and oranges. We can tell by the difference in these two different temperature setups here that there's going to be that strong area of low pressure moving right along the Ohio River, and then behind it some Arctic cold air moves in. In fact, off to our west and off to our south, it will likely be colder than us here in Michigan because of the warm Great Lakes water temperatures, and also there's not much ice on the lakes as of yet. We will likely see ice growing on the lakes with this bitter cold air over the top of us. But in the meantime, we will also be seeing lake effect snow develop as that cold air moves in over the warm waters. Here's what we can expect for today. Mostly cloudy skies, a couple of flurries possible from time to time. That same story will be true for tonight. It'll be true tomorrow, and it will also be true on Saturday. It's a really similar setup here each and every day with the cloud cover, occasionally some flurries or light snow showers coming in off the lake, and temperatures holding steady in the 20s for highs as we go forward. So here's a look at our forecast for today. Temperatures holding steady in the upper 20s, westerly winds at 10 to 15, so wind chills will be lower than the numbers that you see on this map. Mostly cloudy with some flurries. Same thing tonight, mostly cloudy with some flurries, lows ranging from the upper teens north to lower 20s south. And for tomorrow, highs are in the upper 20s. Our normal high is still 31. That number drops back to about 30 or 29 and pretty much stays right in that vicinity all throughout the month of January. So these numbers here in the 20s are going to be a little bit below normal here, although certainly not abnormal for January at all. We're going to be staying below freezing for quite some time, so definitely some winter-like temperatures here. The snow chances here are nothing major, no major storm systems coming our way, just a little bit of some lake effect snow from time to time. Wednesday, high of 22, that says that Arctic air mass comes in overhead, so perhaps a better chance for some lake effect snow at that point.